Join us as we take flight in the iconic 1929 Ford Trimotor, one of the most historic aircraft still in the skies today. Watch as this vintage beauty starts up, taxis, takes off, and lands with an exclusive inside look at the cockpit, all captured on Wingspan Adventures and Flight. Subscribe now. The Ford Trimotor, often referred to as the Tin Goose, revolutionized air travel in the late 1920s and early 1930s as one of the first commercial airliners, known for its durability and ability to land on shorter airstrips. This particular aircraft is owned by the Experimental Aircraft Association, EAA, which has meticulously preserved and maintained it to keep history alive. The EAA's Ford Trimotor offers the public a chance to experience aviation as it was nearly a century ago through flights and airshow appearances. Henry Ford, renowned for revolutionizing ground transportation with the Model T Tin Lizzie, 1909 to 1926, also left an indelible mark on aviation. Recognizing the potential of air travel following World War I, Ford entered the aviation industry with the Ford Trimotor, often called the Tin Goose. Designed by aviation pioneer William Bushnell Stout, the aircraft was a groundbreaking venture aimed at making commercial airline travel practical and accessible to the public. Introduced in 1926, the Ford Trimotor was one of the first all-metal, multi-engine aircraft designed for commercial use. Its three-engine configuration provided redundancy for greater reliability, a key factor in overcoming early public skepticism about air travel. It also featured enclosed cabins for passengers and pilots, an innovation that prioritized safety and comfort over the open cockpits common at the time. With a corrugated aluminum fuselage inspired by Junkers aircraft, the Trimotor combined durability with aerodynamic efficiency. From 1926 to 1933, Ford produced 199 Trimotors in various models. The EAA's 4ATE variant, built in 1929, quickly became a prominent aircraft in aviation history. It was initially the flagship of Eastern Air Transport, a predecessor to Eastern Airlines, and helped establish reliable passenger and mail routes. The Ford Trimotor played a vital role in advancing commercial aviation, setting the stage for modern airline travel. The EAA's Trimotor had a rich and diverse career after its initial service. It flew in Cuba and the Dominican Republic before returning to the United States, where it took on a variety of roles, including prop dusting, firefighting, and carrying smoke jumpers. Despite its utility, the aircraft faced challenges, including a near-catastrophic thunderstorm in 1973 that grounded it. After its retirement, the Trimotor underwent an extensive restoration spearheaded by EAA staff, volunteers, and Ford Trimotor operators nationwide. The restoration, completed over 12 years, was a labor of love, preserving the aircraft as a symbol of early aviation innovation. Its return to the skies in 1985 during the EAA Fly-In Convention marked a significant milestone, showcasing the resilience of both the aircraft and its enthusiasts. Today, the EAA's Ford Trimotor is a flying museum piece. Briefly displayed at the EAA Aviation Museum, it now embarks on annual tours across the United States, allowing passengers to experience the golden age of aviation firsthand. This iconic aircraft stands as a testament to Henry Ford's vision, the ingenuity of its designers, and the pioneering spirit that transformed aviation from a fledgling experiment into a cornerstone of modern transportation. If you enjoyed exploring the history of the iconic Ford Trimotor and its place in aviation history, we encourage you to subscribe to Wingspan Adventures and Flight. Original content creation, especially in niche areas like aviation, is on the decline as digital platforms become saturated with recycled material and artificial experiences. It's creators like us, driven by passion and real world experiences, who strive to bring you genuine, thoughtfully crafted stories. Aviation has captured the hearts of millions, connecting people across the world and inspiring dreams of flight. Historic aircraft like the Ford Trimotor are more than just machines. They are living testaments to human ingenuity and the pioneering spirit of those who dared to take to the skies. These treasures must be preserved and shared with future generations so the legacies they carry can continue to inspire. But preserving history and creating original, quality content takes dedication, resources, and your support. By subscribing to Wingspan Adventures in Flight, you become part of a mission to celebrate aviation and ensure that its stories, past and present, are not lost. Every like, comment, and share fuels our ability to bring these experiences to life. Together, we can carry the love of aviation to new generations and ensure that its legacy soars on. Hit that subscribe button, and let's keep the spirit of flight alive.